Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I'm going to share a wonderful biryani recipe. This is mushroom biryani. This is a simple one-pot recipe that's perfect for busy days but still gives you that rich traditional biryani flavor. For this recipe I'm using fresh mushrooms, whole spices and a homemade masala paste. This combination makes the dish absolutely delicious every single time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 300 grams of long grain basmati rice. Wash it a few times and soak it for about 30 minutes. For the biryani, first I am going to make the masala paste. To the mixer jar, add 2 tablespoons cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 2 tablespoons freshly grated coconut, 2 Kashmiri red chili and 2 spicy red chili. Add a few mint leaves. Add a few coriander leaves. Add about 2 teaspoons of water and grind the masala into nice fine paste. For the mushroom biryani, I have taken 300 grams of fresh mushrooms. Make sure you wash it nice and clean a few times and then slice it into a big pieces. Now I have not sliced it too thin. Make sure the pieces are a bit thick because when you cook it, it can easily get mashed up. So make sure the pieces are little bigger than usual. To the pressure cooker, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the ghee is heated up, add all the whole spices. Have a piece of cinnamon, a few cloves, cardamom, star anise and bay leaf. Mix it lightly until they release a nice aroma. Next, add 3 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Saute it until the onions turn golden brown. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden brown color. Now add the ground masala paste and mix everything well. So after about 2 minutes, add 3 large tomatoes chopped. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Keep the flame on low and mix everything. Now add the sliced mushrooms and mix everything well. So the most important thing to remember while cooking with mushrooms is make sure they are nice and fresh. So you don't want any dark spots or any sort of smell coming from the mushroom. So if you feel it seems a little odd, don't cook it, just throw it away. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves, a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Just mix it all in. Now add the soaked rice to the pressure cooker and gently mix it. Gently mix the rice with the masala. Be careful not to break the rice grains while mixing. Next, add 350 ml of water. For this recipe, I am using 350 ml of water for 300 grams of rice. At this point, check for seasoning, and if you need to add any salt, you can add it. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Now cook the water for 2 minutes. Now reduce the flame to low close the pressure cooker, place the weight, and cook until you get one whistle. Switch off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. Once the steam settles down, open the pressure cooker. Wow, the mushroom biryani looks absolutely fantastic. It's cooked perfectly. Our delicious mushroom biryani is ready to be served nice and hot. The rice is perfectly cooked, the mushrooms are juicy, and the flavors are just amazing. It smells incredible and tastes even better. You can enjoy this delicious mushroom biryani with nice raita by the side. So there you go, here it is, absolutely delicious mushroom biryani. So next time you're craving to have something really nice, especially with mushrooms, try this recipe. You can enjoy it with some nice simple onion raita by the side. So do try the recipe, share it with your family and friends and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.